Hey, what's up guys, it's Motoki. Today we will make ramen shoyu tare using umami technique. Japanese ramen shops extract umami from dry ingredients that are unique to Japan. But I'm going to try to make tare from common ingredients. Okay, let's get started. Usually we extract umami called glutamic acid from seaweed. This time I'm going to use dried tomato instead of seaweed. Dried tomatoes contain as much glutamic acid as seaweed. Inosinic acid is extracted from bonito flakes. But beef jerky is used instead. Guanilic acid is extracted from shiitake mushrooms. Dried mushrooms can be used instead of shiitake mushrooms. This time I will use porcino mushrooms. And we use mirin and sake, but this time we use cola and white wine. By combining glutamate and the inosinic compound in the same ratio, rather than extracting them individually, we can increase the umami by up to 7 times. If you add chicken, pork or something broth to this tare, you can make ramen soup that feels umami.